You're probably paying for AI features you can get completely free. I'm going to show you 15 premium features and the free alternatives that do the same thing. Your wallet will thank me. The average knowledge worker spends $84 a month on AI subscriptions. Most of that is wasted on features available for free. Let's cut that number to zero. Number 15, AI chat and writing. You don't need ChatGPT Plus for most tasks. The free tier gives you GPT-4o Mini, which handles 90% of writing, brainstorming, and analysis tasks. Save the $20 unless you need image generation or advanced features. Number 14, long document analysis. Claude's free tier lets you upload PDFs, spreadsheets, and long documents. Analyze a 100-page report for free. Most people pay for ChatGPT Plus just for file uploads when Claude does it free. Number 13, AI graphic design. Canva's free tier includes Magic Studio, AI-powered design generation, background removal, and resize. You get most of what the Pro plan offers for $0. Number 12, AI research with citations. Perplexity gives you 5 free Pro searches per day and unlimited standard searches. That's enough for serious research without the $20 subscription. Number 11, AI voice generation. 11 Labs free tier gives you 10,000 characters per month. That's enough for YouTube voiceovers, podcast intros, or content narration. The paid plans start at $5 for more characters. Number 10, AI presentations. Gamma's free tier gives you 10 AI-generated presentations per month. That's 10 full decks, more than most people need. Stop paying for beautiful.ai or tone. Number 9, AI video editing. CapCut is completely free and includes auto captions, background removal, AI effects, and templates. It's better than most paid editors for short-form content. Number 8, AI meeting notes. Fathom is genuinely free. Unlimited recordings, transcriptions, and AI summaries for Zoom calls. Stop paying for Otter Pro if Zoom is your primary platform. Number 7, AI assistant with real-time information. Google Gemini is free and connected to live search results. For current events, fact-checking, and research that needs up-to-date information, it beats any paid tool. Number 6, AI-powered notes and project management. Notion's free personal plan includes limited AI features. For individuals, it's enough to organize your life, generate summaries, and manage projects without paying a cent. Number 5, AI image generation with text. Ideogram's free tier gives you 10 high-quality images per day. It's the best free AI image generator, especially for anything with text or logos. Save your Mid-Journey subscription for complex work. Number 4, AI music generation. Suno's free tier lets you create 5 songs per day. Full vocals, instruments, production. Perfect for YouTube background music, podcast intros, or content creation. No music license fees. Number 3, open source AI models. Hugging Face hosts thousands of free AI models for text, image, audio, and code. Many are competitive with paid APIs. If you're technical, you can run them locally for $0 ongoing cost. That's 15 premium features you could stop paying for today. The complete list with links is in the description. Subscribe, and I'll keep finding free alternatives to expensive AI tools.